Hey dolls and gents, it's JENITA ADRIANA here, owner of Enticing Links, and today I'm going to show you how to install a headband wig. I have my headband wig right here, so don't mind what we got going on over here, you guys, because we are going to transform. Okay, so here's the headband wig, or a headband wig. This is the deep wave texture in length 20 inches. This is the natural texture. It has not been washed, it has not been brushed, it has not done anything. Here is the headband wig part that is sewn on. Goes all the way around. See that Velcro strap? That's what goes around the nape of your neck. Okay, and on the inside it does come with 4 combs. 2 at the temple, 1 at the back, and then 1 in the front. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. Go ahead and comment down below, like, subscribe, share, whatever you want to do, and we are going to show you how to do the normal installation. Like that. Want to see the back? Okay, if you want it to. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned a little bit of tips and tricks. I hope you understand now what the benefit and quickness and effectiveness is of a headband wig. If you are looking to buy a headband wig, if you want to try one, go ahead and go to enticinglinks.com. That way you can see different styles and textures, straight, deep wave, curly, and all that good stuff. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, because I know it can help someone. And yeah, stay true to yourself. Be beautiful, love.